Just because NanoBanana created me does not mean I should miss my Owambe party. It will be the talk of the town. And today is even more special. It is my wedding anniversary.
Women and their African time, always keeping us waiting.
You will never change.
As you can see, if you are not here, you are truly missing out. This food tastes so good.
Today has been wonderful. The party, the laughter, the food. I could not have asked for a better anniversary.
You deserve it all.
Are you struggling to create beautiful avatars and scenes for your African stories? Don't worry, I will show you the easiest way to design stunning characters, outfits, and folktale scenes using just one image. Alright, without any further delay, let's dive in. To create an outstanding folktale story, there are a few key things you need in place. You need a well-structured storyline, you need a stunning avatar, great outfit, captivating scenes, and smooth transition that will keep your viewers hooked till the very end. So let's start with story structure. Where can you get your story ideas? You can get your story ideas from these 4 points I want to mention. 1, from your personal experiences. 2, from your environment. That is, it's because your environment is full of inspiration and creativity. And also, number 3, from ChatGPT, of course, which can help you brainstorm unique ideas. And 4, from an existing viral story in folktale niche. You just need to copy the transcripts on YouTube, edit and optimize it for your story channel. Now, you may ask, how do you come about your stunning avatar or character? I will show you a simple trick to do that with just a single prompt, and that is the purpose of this video. You see, many creators will not tell you this, so stick with me to the end. And if you are new here, this is Abby Growth Guide. Here we guide you on tricks and how to create a monetizable AI videos and ideas to grow your business and make money from the comfort of your home. So do well to like and subscribe to this channel. So getting stunning avatar ideas is very easy. What we are going to do now, we will head over to Pinterest. So that's where we want to get our stunning avatar ideas from. So you need to open Pinterest. This is where we are going to be getting different outfits you want your avatar to wear. Maybe you want a casual wears, formal outfit, or traditional wears. Both for men and women, you can get it here in Pinterest. Pinterest will give you ideas on what clothes your avatar should put on, or how it should look like, or the hairstyle your avatar to make him or her come out stunning. You can literally get it here. So I want to search for beautiful or stunning traditional wears for women. So just check through the collections here. Once you see the ones you like, you just need to just save it into your device. So I want to pick this image and save it into my device. You can also search for casual wears, home decor, even studio ideas. Let's say you want to create an avatar intro that needs to be placed in a studio to present your content. You can actually get your ideas from here, get a studio ideas, download it, then you use it for your avatar. So let us search for studio. It can be a podcast studio or anyone. So we want to pick one and download it. So after it is being downloaded, that will lead us to the next step. What we want to do now is for us to head over to ChatGPT. Of course, that is where we want to get our prompt from. Of course, ChatGPT will help us to analyze the image and give you the detailed description of the image. So we want to click on the plus button here. We want to bring the downloaded image in. This is what you're going to ask ChatGPT. Kindly describe this image in detail. You see, ChatGPT is giving us detailed description of the image. Here is the detailed description. It has already showed us the outfit, what she is wearing. So ChatGPT gave us the outfit, the headgear, the accessories, the makeups and hairstyle, the setting, and also the expression. So after getting all of this, so we will go further by asking ChatGPT to turn it to text prompt. You just type turn it to text prompt, okay, so that we will be able to use it to generate our own image. So look at that. ChatGPT has given us the text prompt, telling us writing it in a text prompt format for us. And again, I want you to take note of this. Once it is turned to text prompt, ensure you check the prompt vividly to check if there is a logo text on it. Okay, so you make sure you edit the prompt properly. Then you can as well change the color of the outfit to make it unique for your use. Okay, then you can copy it, and also you can as well ask ChatGPT to optimize this prompt for the kind of AI generation you want to use. Now that you have your image prompt, you can now take the prompt to any image creation tool and generate your avatar. So still wait, because I'm going to show you how you can replace or change your scene or location of your story, and the character will still remain consistent, that you don't want to miss. I usually generate my image from free tools like ChatGPT, Bing AI, Piclumen, Meta AI, Whisk AI, and so on. But ChatGPT will give you that stunning image that you need, but you can only generate 5 to 6 images if you are not on premium. So to get unlimited image creation, you can use Bing AI or Meta AI, and better still, you can use ImageFX, that is Whisk AI. I feel this Whisk AI is underrated, because when I try to compare image created by Whisk AI to other tools, guys, it's giving, as in the image quality is superb. So let's all head on to ImageFX. So this will come out labs.google/fx. So once you open that ImageFX, so you want to come to where Whisk is, Google Labs, Whisk. Then you click on Whisk. So you're going to have something like this, labs.google.fx. So you launch into your Whisk. So once you launch into your Whisk, you want to enter tool. So click on enter tool. So this is where we want to create our image from. So on this path, you want to paste your prompt here. There are so many things you can actually do here. You do believe Whisk can also animate image and change image to video here? That's not what we want to do here. We just want to create image. You just want to copy image prompt from ChatGPT and then paste it here. So you want to change it to any style of your choice. Okay, so once it is being pasted, make sure you change the prompt to any style of your choice. Like for your Folktale, you can change it to realistic image, or you can change it to 3D pizza style, or cinematic upper realistic digital painting. It depends on how you want the texture of your image to be. So for this tutorial, I'm going to put 3D pizza style, and I will click on generate. In a couple of seconds, your image is created. See how beautiful the image is. This is amazing. We want to download it into our local device. Now that we have downloaded it into our local device, now we want to go a step further. We want to change the scene for this image, and we still maintain the consistency of the image. We can achieve this in two methods. One, we can achieve it by prompt fusion. What do I mean by that? I'll explain what I mean by prompt fusion. It's just when you combine primary prompt with the secondary prompt. It's when you join your base prompt, that is the description of the image you want to create, like the hair, the facial look, the clothing, and nose, or accessory. When you combine these with the action prompt, that is what the person is actually doing in that image. So that is what is called prompt fusion. So then by constantly adding base prompt to all the images, we make the image stay consistent. I have done a detailed tutorial on that before. I'll pin it in the comment section. Please do well to watch there, because I don't want this tutorial to be too long. Now, the second and the newest way you can actually change your image scene and still keep the character consistent is using this new AI tool by Google called NanoBanana. It is also called Google Gemini 2.5 Flash. This tool has changed the game of image creation, especially editing of images, okay, and it is 100% free to use as at now when filming this video. So let's jump right in. So to have access to NanoBanana, you can come to gemini.google.com and click on it. Once you click on this first one, now this place is going to open this way, and you will see right up here, you will see 2.5 Flash, and that is NanoBanana. On this platform, you can do a whole lot of things. I have created a video about how you can explore many of its features. I've also pinned that in the comment section. So if you are finding this interesting, at least give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Subscription is free, okay? Now let us upload the image created in Whisk AI. So once it is uploaded, okay, so you want to start by changing the scene of this image. You want to put this image in a Nigerian Pentecostal modern church. Then click enter. This looks so amazing. This makes your folktale story even more easy to create. If you need to change location for the same character in your story, you don't need complex prompts. The best part, NanoBanana understands simple natural English. So for editing any image, and it is completely free for now. Let us go further. I want her to let her walk outside towards her car. And this is what I got. This is super amazing. So this is amazing. You can see the consistency. You can see her face. The clothing still remains the same. How cool is this? So let us try to put her in Owambe Nigerian party. Say, let's click enter. Chivas. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? Do you know how many hours you're going to spend to achieve this in Photoshop? This is what Google NanoBanana did within few seconds with just a single prompt. Let me know in the comment section your opinion about this too. And wait, let us take a step further. Then you can also press further by swapping or embedding the clothes, replacing the clothes, changing the clothes. You see that I downloaded this on Pinterest. So I want her to wear this swimming trunk. So I said, where are this swimming trunk? They were unable to create this, maybe because of the way the picture is exposed. So you need to take note of that also. All right. And again, I press further by saying, okay, change the outfit. What I did, I want her to wear swimming trunk. So probably after a wedding anniversary, she needs to go for swimming. And that's what we want to achieve here. Further, I say, can you make her a swimming suit? Make the background a modern swimming pool. And this is what NanoBanana gave to us. Look at how beautiful it is. But the error here is I need to remove this air gear. So you know it is AI. You still need to instruct the AI what to do. The AI cannot know maybe the air gear should be removed from the suit. You can see how this dressing is so funny. I instructed the AI to remove her gele bags and accessory and let her have a beautiful hairstyle and hold a glass cup of wine. Also, and this is what NanoBanana gave us. This is beautiful. It maintained the same facial look, the same swimming trunk, and look at the environment. Still maintain the same scene. So look at how it is. So I press further to say, let us sit down with an handsome man, both sitting beside the swimming pool. Now, and this is what it gave us, both of them now being beside the swimming pool, chatting. All right, can you imagine when this thing is turned to video? You can see how beautiful it will come out. I have the image of this man. What I did was I said, let both of them blend together, standing on a Nigerian street, standing together laughing as husband and wife. And this is what NanoBanana gave to me. See how beautiful it is. Join them together, both of them. They were literally apart. You can see they were apart. So I told NanoBanana to bring them in together and put them on the street of Lagos. You can see how beautiful they were, even holding each other's hands. So there is nothing you can create here. And I said, put both of them. I even said, put both of them on a beautiful street. You see, coming out of their car. Look at it. Okay, it's having a very wide shot. So I give it instruction. I say, give me a close shot of this image. And this is what we have, a close shot. How is it? So it depends on how creativity you are with this NanoBanana. All right, you can do a lot of things in this NanoBanana. So once you are done, you can now take it to any image to video of your choice. I recommend the tools you can use presently that are very free or that have a limited unit that you can still utilize to create your video. You can try Digen AI, Google VO 2. You can try Whisk animation. Whisk is also doing animation, but you just have 5 generation. I have created a video that you can give you more access to Whisk generation and so on. In the next video, I'll walk you through how you can generate your local voice. You can edit the voice, animate and lip sync your image, edit and turn it to movie already. So if you find this tutorial helpful, simply like, subscribe, comment, and importantly, click that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever the content is dropped. You want to structure your script properly, want to explore the first method of creating consistent image aside from using NanoBanana, as I have mentioned earlier, that is prompt fusion. Watch this video. So see you in the next video. Thank you.